What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sabrent USB 3.0 4-bay 2.5-inch hard drive / SSD docking station, and this one comes with an actual fan. You can get this on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description for $51. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. Built-in cooling fan. It's the box itself. So this is a solution. So if you have like any extra SSDs laying around, so instead of cracking open your computer, you can actually have this docking station next to your computer. It does work with PC and Mac. USB 3.0, plug and play, up to 4 SSDs. And you can utilize 2.5 SSDs or the actual hard drives, built-in fan, just like it said. So let's see. Yeah, because over the years I've built computers and I have hard drives all over the place. So this would be a great way to consolidate. So, all right, so they're loving the presentation thus far, especially for 52 bucks. I mean, for 51 bucks. Spread the love online. These are books. I'm assuming this is the cable. There's the unit itself. Let's pull it out of the box. Set the box to the side. Nothing else. We'll come to the unit in a second. See what we get in this box. And these are all the cables that actually come with it. This is okay, so this is the actual connection cable from the back of the unit. USB 3.0. And this is the power brick. Pretty decent size, nothing over the top. You know, regular old barrel connector. Like I said, your books and the unit itself. All right, so the unit, nice little mat, little piano situation going on. There's the buttons. This is the actual connection, power, and this just pops right on off. Okay, and so yeah, there we go. There's the cooling fan right there. And these are the ports. Pop them in here. And this is pretty cool. This has a magnet, so it connects on there. So even if you, okay, I like it. I actually like this. Okay. Well, again, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, let me know. If you guys would like to see a follow-up video, please let me know. And or if you just have any questions or anything like that, just drop them in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back with you at my earliest convenience. So again, really appreciate you guys do all that YouTube stuff, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be talking to you guys a little bit later. All right. Peace.